Hey everybody, I am now here to teach you how to make some conditioner using just some natural products and some essential oils. If you've watched the shampoo video already, it's a lot of the same ingredients. We have the guar gum for the thickener, we have aloe, grapeseed oil, magnesium gel, vitamin E oil, argan oil. And for the conditioner, I'm also using lavender essential oil, tea tree essential oil, and instead of rosemary, I'm going to use some cedarwood because I love this smell, and cedarwood's really good for hair and skin as well. So, like I said with the last video, a lot of ingredients, but you use just a little bit of each of them, so they'll last you for a really long time. And you use a lot of the same ingredients in both, so that's nice. It's not a bunch of ingredients for shampoo and then a bunch of different ingredients for conditioner. So I'll start with a cup, a little over a cup of water. So I'm going to do a cup and a half. All right, and then we're going to do a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. We're going to do a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. And a teaspoon of magnesium gel. All right, and then we're going to do 10 drops of each the vitamin E oil and the argan oil. All right, 10 of that, 10 of the argan oil. Okay, and now we're going to do 25 drops of essential oils. I'm going to do it pretty evenly, so I'm going to do 8 drops of 2 of them and then 9 drops of another. So I'm going to do 8 drops of lavender. Oh, I think I just counted 10 actually. I was used to counting 10 for the last one. Okay, I'm going to do 8 drops of tea tree, and it's okay. You can, alter them to meet whatever you want. And then I'm going to do 8 drops of cedarwood. All right. Then I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of this guar gum. I only have a dry half teaspoon, so I'm going to do, maybe I'll start with 1.5 teaspoons and see how that goes. And I can add some more if I need to. So I have my immersion blender. Just going to combine this. Until I see that all the little guar gum chunks, it's kind of like adding flour to a recipe. I'm just going to make sure that those are all blended in. It smells so good, you guys. All right, and that's pretty good consistency that I have in here. So I think I'm not going to add any more guar gum. Yeah, like that. That's good. This smells amazing. Yum. Okay. For the shampoo, I had a similar bottle. Oh man, you can't see it. Let me see. I have a cute little sticker on there that says conditioner. I'm not sure if you can see it. Come to my house, I'll show you. And so I just got the plastic bottles on Amazon and ordered the cute little label from Etsy. And I'm just gonna move these out of the way for a second. All right, the conditioner is a little bit different to pour in because it's a little thicker. So I have a spatula here to help me if I need it. It's going. I'm going to scoop out what the rest that's in here. But this is great. Organic, completely non-toxic shampoos and conditioners are really hard to find, but if you can find them, they do cost quite a bit. I have not tried the shampoo and conditioner that Young Living offers, but if you were interested in switching over to a non-toxic shampoo and conditioner and you didn't really want to take the time, or you weren't interested in making some, I hear that the Young Living shampoo and conditioner is awesome. They use the Young Living oils and non-toxic ingredients, so there is a good trusted option for you if you wanted to do that. All right, this made a little bit less than half a bottle, so I might make a little bit more, but here we go. This is my non-toxic conditioner to go with my non-toxic shampoo, and it's everything that you're using is really healthy and nourishing for your skin and your hair. So it's nice that it's not only non-toxic, but it's really good for your skin. Man, oh, there we go. Now you can see shampoo conditioner. So cute. Anywho, if you have any questions, please let me know, comment below, or send me a message, and I am glad to share my trials and errors with you guys, and hope you guys are all doing well and excited to try some of this stuff at your house. Bye.